listen, they in there loud as hell, but it's alright. So I got to, so I was saying, I'm gonna have to get up and, hey girl, you wanna get in the camera with me? Y'all wanna see my daughter? She big now. I think I told y'all about her when I was pregnant, but I never put her on camera. My son been on camera. Hey girl, you look like me. It's my twin, my boo, my twin.
Hi.
She's so sweet. So are we about to get ready to make us something to eat? I don't know what we gonna eat, but
We see eat.
I'll be back, y'all. Y'all, I'm looking a hot ass mess, but it's Sunday fun day. This is what we're doing right here. I gotta put back up my curtain, my rod and my curtain. It just fell one day, but anyways, I do want to take my hair down today, but I still want to wait. I ended up doing my daughter's hair. Let's show your hair, Eileen. You see her hair? She in here with her brother. Oh girl, you cute. She really got it like Zoe on K-pop. That's how she wanted it. Cut his hair last week. Wayne, I gotta get out of here because they got, but they in there chilling. I'm chilling. Did 2 loads already. I folded some of them in this load, but I'm just waiting on the towels to get done and the white clothes, and I'm just gonna fold all of them together. 2 of my son outfits ready for him for the week, and 3 of my daughter outfits ready for hair, for her for the week. For hair, I don't even talk like that. For her for the week. The plan this year for them for the school year was to iron their clothes for the week on Sundays, but I think I'm gonna alternate out whenever I feel like it. I feel like I'm gonna take their clothes out, of course, on Sunday, and if I feel like it, I'll go ahead and iron them for the week or whatever, but for sure take them out on Sunday and we'll go from there. This year I'm gonna wake up probably 15 minutes than what I had to last year, so that'll give me time to get my morning together, especially before they wake up or whatever. And I'm gonna try to wake them up 15 minutes too before we did last year, but if they don't, then them waking up on the exact time is still cool for us to get up at the door. But me being a mom, vlogs, I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm just gonna be being me within, I say really just uploading like I'm supposed to for the last 6 months. So alright y'all, so I'm in the line to pick up my son. As y'all can tell, it's 2:28. Excuse me, they start letting them out about 2:46 to 2:50. I do need to go clean out my car. Look at my car. Look at my window, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God. I know better. I gotta get my screen fixed on my car too. Screen. I gotta get my windshield fixed on my car too. A rock hit my car, my windshield. And yeah, that's been about some months ago though. But I gotta go grocery shopping. So I might take y'all along, I don't know. But I want to check in. Alright y'all, so I put the kids to sleep. Son in the bed, daughter just got in the bed. Put her to sleep. I didn't put my son to sleep, he went to sleep on his own, but I'm about to get in the shower. I'm finna throw these away. Look at this shit. Look, I don't like that. It's starting to turn and I don't like that. I guess I've been wearing them too much. I got this from Target. Look at that focus. It's starting to turn green. This some bullshit. I'm finna throw these away. I got some more. But anyways, I didn't get to, I think the last part I left off, I was in the line getting my son. I'm gonna make this a full week vlog because I'm committing to, or starting out committing to 1 video a week. I feel like that will be good for me, and then gradually work myself up, work my way up, because I'm the type of person that I could be knowing that I'm supposed to do something. I could be excited about doing something, but when it's time to do it and it's a lot, like editing and all that, I get overwhelmed. I just don't do it instead of just going ahead and do it. So I feel like when I do things on a to-do list or steps, or one at a time, to gradually build myself up, then I get better at things. But when I try to do everything at once, it just gets so overwhelming, and I just be like, forget it, I'm not doing it. And I'm tired of being that way. I got a membership, y'all, last week, And that's the same thing that I feel like I'm gonna do too. Commit to 1 or 2 times a week and then gradually build myself up instead of committing to 4 times a week, and then I get to thinking about doing it 4 times a week and I'm like, nah, I don't want to do it at all. Or I get on that day, somebody comment below and let me know what that is, because that's really truly how it is for me. If something is so overwhelming, the thought of it, I won't even do it. And I'm tired of being in my own way. I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I want to show y'all my skin care routine, but I don't know. I might as well, come on, let's do it. Cool. All right, so these are the products that I'm gonna be using. It's called Perudo. It's a Korean brand that was sent to me from TikTok. I collab with them. Let me show y'all. This is, hold on, Perudo, something like that. So this is the brand. This is the cleanser. Focus. So this is, okay, so this is the toner. Don't focus on me, focus on this. That's the brand. And then this is the serum. Yep. And this is the cream. Cool. So we gonna start out with the cleanser. I know I'm looking crazy. I want to take this quick weave out. I feel like my face is just poofy for some reason. That's the main reason why I want to get in the gym. I did stop drinking, so we're gonna see how that play as far as my skin, which my skin is not bad, but the poofiness in my face. I'm 163 pounds. I feel like I'm not big, but I feel like the drinking played a part in me being poofy and fluffy. Don't get me wrong, I like my juiciness and my thickness, but my face being, something ain't right. But of course I know I'm beautiful. It's just some things that I want to change within myself that I know I need to change. So I did take that bonnet off because it's just, that black bonnet is something. I like my pink one that I got, so I'm gonna put that one on. And if I do my skincare at night, which I'm getting better at it, I do it before I get in the shower. I did have one of those facial scrubs. It was pink, and it was the smaller, not the spin brush. I used to have one of them too. Probably need to get that back. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the toner. I usually do a drop or 2 of these. The toner. And I need some of them pads too. I ain't scared to admit that I fell off with my skincare. And I told y'all, I'm getting it together. We stepping into a brand new person before 2027. This is the serum. I did 2 drops of that. Then I'm doing this. The cream. I feel greasy now, but skincare is complete. Let me see what time it is. Currently 10:14. I'm about to chill for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna get my bath and shower. Yes, I do take a bath and shower at the same time. I never play. And if I don't take a bath and shower at the same time, I'll just take my shower. I might just take a shower tonight, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get my ass in that tub. So I'm more than likely to see y'all tomorrow. All right, the next day, I'm in my parents' house, gonna get ready to go to work. Sitting here with my bro. We just sitting outside for a minute. I'm gonna get ready to go to work. And I'll see y'all when I get there. So I made it to the shop. I don't have a client today, but yesterday I sat down and added my mannequins to my contact list for my clients. So I'm doing an experiment, or I guess we can call this a series, but y'all gonna come along with me in this journey to build my clientele. This gonna be a journey for us, and I want y'all to see it. I want y'all to see somebody who don't give up, because I don't give up. I'm a very determined person. See somebody with resilience, and see someone who's a believer in Christ and always gonna put him first, because he is the only one that's doing this for me. Mind you, this is a small town that I'm in, so of course it's gonna be a little bit harder. I'm not gonna say impossible, but it's gonna be a little bit harder for me in this small town to build my clientele. But it's gonna happen. Right now I'm doing Courtney, probably a curl her, and she got a big, what they call a Bixie cut. So the back, of course, I'm gonna curl up. Well, I'm gonna curl it in the Bixie. I'll just put it that way. I'm gonna curl it in the Bixie. Look, yes ma'am. I don't know what day it is, But I'm about to go wash my hair. I think I might show y'all. I just took my quick weave out 2 days ago. I'm trying to think of what style I want to do next. I don't know. Comment below what y'all think I should do. Ooh, I'm looking at this. It's Sunday fun day, y'all. I'm in the process of washing. I don't know what I done did on it. In the process of washing, we getting our meal prepped and on for Sunday. For the kids, I'm going to fix chicken strips. I already seasoned them, and then I got me some ribs. I know if my daughter, she wants some, she'll be getting some of these too. So I got my ribs. Y'all see, I still haven't shampooed my hair. I might just wait until I go to the shop tomorrow to do it. I have to put up some curtains tomorrow. I have to put up my coat hanger for my clients. I'll probably take y'all along with me when I do that. And then I'll probably show y'all me shampooing my hair. So we doing that today. So I got a lot to do. Oh y'all, I did order another battery. So that's very exciting. I did order another battery. I gotta dip down like this because y'all, like this, I'm still in rain. I already seasoned everything, but I forgot this. I wanna wait until my ribs cook a little bit before I add the barbecue sauce. So that's the way I wanna do it. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna cook these until 5. They're gonna have something different for lunch. That way we all can be eating at the same time. It's 10 o'clock, but I'm gonna let these ribs cook for about 5-6 hours so they can be tender. And hey, mama.
Hi. Can I sit down?
No, you're not sitting on the counter. Say
Hi.
she like being in the camera, y'all. So I'm gonna cook some cabbage with it. I'll probably put my cabbage on at 1 because your cabbage don't cook that long, so don't take long to cook.
Bobby, you cook cabbage?
Yep.
Oh, I cooked that cabbage.
Let me turn this down. So I guess y'all gonna see me every day picking to my son. I need to take this roller out. I guess that's gonna be a part of my vlogs. I ain't doing nothing but sitting in the line. Excuse me. I'm waiting on him to come out. It's It's 2:17. Yeah, 2:17. They usually let them out about 2:40, 2:48, 2:50-ish, sometimes 2:46. I did get some flowers from one of my clients, which she was a friend before she was a client. We went to beauty school together. So yeah, she ended up giving me some flowers because of my birthday. Put it that way. But I haven't. It's August. What? It's August. It's August 19th, but we haven't seen each other in a while, so that's why she gave it to me yesterday. Well, my birthday is July the 24th, but it's cool. I'm just so blessed to have a friend like her. I have a client. No, today I didn't have a client. I went down to the shop because I had to put my coat hanger. I had to mount my coat hanger to the wall. So the shop is really coming together, y'all. We got the curtains up. We got the door hanger. Of course, my sign is up. We got the coat hanger. Excuse me, I said door hanger. My mom told me today that she's going to bless me with a TV next week. So I'm happy about that. Y'all going to see it. Y'all going to end up seeing the finished look. I might take y'all with me tomorrow. No, it probably won't be tomorrow because I have a client. It might be Friday. I don't know. It's just to let y'all see what we have done so far. I got some flooring, but I don't know what I want to do because it's not enough. So I don't know if I want to put it on the floor or not. But we shall see. I should have cooked. I should have took out something to cook, but I don't know. Or I might go to the store. I don't know. I might go to the store. I don't know. We'll see. Once I pick up my son. End up doing my hair. Didn't record that. So like I was telling y'all the other day, me picking up this camera, sometimes I'm not talking about anything or much, but me picking up this camera is just helping me be more consistent, regardless of me having something to talk about. I'll see y'all in the next clip. I don't know what it's gonna be because I really don't have anything planned, like I said, but I'll see y'all in a minute.